Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining in today. Welcome to another AMA here on the Polygon Discord. My name is Zanzi, and today we are speaking with DexCheck. Why don't you guys go ahead and introduce yourselves to the Polygon community? Let us know who you are and what's your backstory. How'd you get into crypto and ultimately working on DexCheck? All right.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Why don't you
Hello,
go?
everyone. Yes, I'm Raf. I mean, my name is Rafael, but everyone's call me Raf. I'm involved in the cryptocurrency space since 2015, I would say, and of course, as everyone else, I joined the cryptocurrency movements because I was interested in investing in tokens. Like everyone, I remember when Bitcoin was $200, $150. So I initially my idea was only to invest in good projects, in good tokens. So I was basically an analyst. I mean, I always loved to do deep analysis on projects before investing because in crypto you do have a lot of I would say projects that are not very legitimate or are baked by anything. So the analysis is very important in crypto before investing. And so I traded cryptocurrency from since the last 6, 7 years, and then I moved into development because I was always passionate about developments, informatics. I have a degree in economics, and I decided to to build a team for develop DexCheck because I wanted to provide good trading tools to for crypto and for crypto analytics to everyone. So that's what got me here. My passion for data analytics and my passion for crypto.
Amazing. It's so great to have you here, Raf. Did you get perhaps Prakash? Did you want to go next?
Yeah, hi. So, hello everyone. My name is Prakash Pawar, and I'm a blockchain developer in DexCheck. And I'm happy to be here on Polygon as a developer. Back, DexCheck, I have spent several months designing and developing this server-side infrastructure with Graph and Jetson. So, for the decentralized applications, I have worked on various features. So, I'm looking forward to answer your questions and share my experience here.
Perfect. And then I believe Jatan or Jatin. Sorry, how do you pronounce that?
Yeah, hi, it's Jatin. Yeah, hi guys. So I'm pleased to introduce myself as the lead developer currently working with DexCheck, and going into brief introduction about my past, like how I got into crypto. I started like trading crypto on Binance about 2 years ago, and then as a developer myself, I got like curious about how it works and everything. So firstly, I started with bots, then I got into like decentralized exchanges and saw how the blockchain data works and so on. And starting from there, here I am right now building a like DeFi analytics website and everything.
Awesome, awesome. It's so great to have all three of you here today speaking with the Polygon community. Really looking forward to this. When I jumped on a call with you guys and got to look at the DApp, I was super impressed. So yeah, I'm fired up about this AMA. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Why don't we start talking about the journey so far? Like, when did you guys first start working on this, and like, where are you guys at today?
Yeah, my idea about building a super data analytics platform. When I say super app data analytics platform, it's because what we are building is providing trading tools for both crypto and also NFTs. So that's the idea. And when I had first time this idea was like 11 months ago, and then I started spending time to build a team with the right people. And the first month were rough because it's very hard to hire and to find developers that understand the blockchain and the data analytics. So I spent like 2 months with trial, with many hires and many fires also. But at the end, I managed to build a team of 9 developers, and I'm very happy because now we are working on the platform since the last 7 months, and we deployed already so many features on mainnet, and we have also some cool ones on testnet still that I'm going to show you soon.
Great. Yeah, so what are some of the features of DexCheck that you are personally most excited about?
Yeah, we do. I'm going to share my screen now. Okay.
Sounds good. Let's just jump right into it. All right, I want to encourage everyone to tune in on this screen share. This is going to be pretty exciting.
Okay. Can you see it? Yes.
Yeah, right now we're just looking at your Discord screen. There we go. Beautiful. This is such a sleek user interface. It's really clean. I like it a lot.
Yeah, we do spend a lot of time in improving the user interface and the user experience. So this is the mainnet version of DexCheck, where we have deployed already more than 6 features. And basically what we do is gators key information for tokens, uh, decentralized exchange, NFTs, and market performance across different blockchains network. We do support 10 blockchains so far, and we fetch data from the centralized exchange, providing cool insights and analytics to the users. So this is the first page of the platform that you are seeing. It's called the checkboard because it's to keep everything on track. So we do provide many statistics as the global market overview, the long versus the shorts, the DEX overview. We do have the aggregated news from different sources and different languages in a way that you don't need to go on 10 different news media to check the latest news, the latest news of the day. You can see all it here, and all the other features that our platform have. For example, the whales tracker, the gainers and losers, the upcoming unlocks. So this is just a page that aggregates all the features of our platform. And moving on, one of our core features, of course, is the charting, the token analytics features, where the user, the investors, the trader can look at all the tokens that are listed on the centralized exchange of 10 blockchain, and you can see a lot of interesting information. For example, you can follow the flow, the transaction history, and you can get the detailed data about all the transactions. For example, you can see here that this address made 182 transactions, and you can see all the transactions that he made, if he hold a token, if he hold the token, how much he bought, how much he sold. So this is a page where the user can do the first technical and the fundamental analysis about a token. And so you can check the trading history, you can see the holders with the activity of the holders. So you can see if for example, the top 50, 100 holders are making movements with their tokens. You can see the buyers and sellers of the token that you want to check to see what are the most active wallet trading that token. And yeah, we show all the transactions organized in a very easy way to understand, we believe, as well as all the other information. And moving on, we do have the whales tracker feature, which is very cool because we fetch data and we show in real time all the large transactions that are happening on all the DEX that we support. So this is a good dashboard to see upcoming trends, maybe upcoming tokens that are going to do good in the market, because you can notice some accumulation. For example, now you can see that a lot of whales are buying Blur token, which is trending like in the last days, if you check it on Twitter also. And you can get a lot of interesting information about the whales too. Like for trading history, you can see all the buys and sells that these whales made, and so on. And additionally, I mean, we moving on with futures. Another one which is very cool, I believe, is the token unlocks dashboard, and that helps investors to see the emissions of token and the unlocks of tokens of the projects. It's everything aggregated in one dashboard. We cover more than 200 tokens, and we cover also the liquidity unlocks. So, for example, you can see that in I don't know, in 21 hours, Zilliqa will release this amount of tokens, and you can check additional information about the tokenomics of the product, at which point we are with the emissions compared to the total emission, the ROI that the private sale and the public sale investors are making. So all sorts of information that can help traders to do well, maybe anticipate some selling pressure because of token emissions, or using it to short, for example, a token that is going to release a lot of token to venture capitalists. So you can front run the bigger players, because what we want to do at the end of the day with DexCheck is to provide advanced analytics tools to retail investors. So that's our main goal, because at the moment you do have a lot of platforms, but to get access to premium tools, you need to pay top dollar at the end of the month. And our futures are 90% are free of use, so you don't need to pay anything. Just a small portion of our futures will require to hold our token, which will be released. So we don't ask to pay anything, I mean, at the end of the month. And so yeah, that's what we are doing. We do provide analytics that helps trader making better decisions. And maybe I don't want to show all the futures now, so maybe we can keep the conversation ongoing. And yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I definitely want to encourage the audience to, drop some feedback in the Community Voices text channel, which is just the text channel for this voice chat. Also, ask any questions that you have. Lunatic is actually wondering if you guys have a ambassador program or plan to.
Yeah. We are definitely planning to have an ambassador program, because we deployed the platform on mainnet almost 2 months ago, like 1 month and a half ago, and then now our main goal is to increase the awareness and to make as much as people discover the platform using it and provide us feedback. So definitely we are going to release an ambassador program the next month.
Fantastic. It's great to hear that there's opportunities to get involved.
It is, yes, of course. You for the people that are interested in joining, like, and receiving rewards to be the early adopters of the platform or be an ambassador, they just need to join our Telegram community or Twitter, because there we post all the updates, announcements about this kind of activities.
Something I'm curious about, when you made the whale tracker and the token unlock observer, like, what inspired you to create these? Were you like filling a void that needed to be filled? Like, was this like kind of like unavailable to you, so you felt like you needed to make it available to retail traders? Or
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, everyone want to see what the bigger players are doing, because the people that move a lot of money usually have capabilities. I mean, sometimes they can be, maybe they are people that invested in cryptos a lot of years ago, so they have a lot of money. But most of the times, if you are a trader and you trade a huge amount of money, it's very likely that you are good at what you are doing. So we talked that a dashboard that shows all the large transactions that are happening in real time for all the chain, of course, Polygon included, because we do have integrated Polygon, of course. It's very important because it allows like the retail traders to see, like to anticipate maybe a trend or to see a token that is going to be accumulated by whales. So practically, we built this dashboard for this reason. And also the token unlocks was a hot topic at the end of last year, because there were a lot of unlocks coming from tokens with huge venture capitalist influence. And you know that when a big unlocks happen, if a private investor is making a lot of money with investment, is very likely to sell the tokens and to realize at least a portion of the profit. So having a dashboard that allows everyone to see which are the tokens that are going to release unlocks, we believe that it's very useful to protect the capital and to make a better strategies. I mean, for example, if you want to buy a token, you don't buy if a big unlock is coming. You prefer to accumulate after the unlock is done, maybe after the selling pressure is done, so you can buy at a better price eventually, no? So yeah, that's the main reason because we built these two page in particular.
Yeah, it definitely seems like you're providing a lot of significant, actionable analytics that'll provide like big time advantages. Who do you view as your target audience? Like, who do you think are the types of people that will benefit the most from leveraging DexCheck?
Yes, I believe that everyone involved in the trading world of cryptocurrencies and also NFTs, because we are also deploying analytics for NFTs, will benefit. So there is no like a target, a specific target, because everyone that trade cryptocurrency can use our platform and can get some benefit out of it. So even if you are not a trader, but you just like to follow the market, to see the movements, to see what's going on, it's a good platform because we are basically an aggregator. We do aggregate information, we do aggregate data, and we provide that data in a simple user interface. So everyone involved in crypto is our target. I mean, of course, traders can get the most out of it, I would say. But from whatever background you have, or from the important is that you are passionate. I mean, the important is that everyone that like crypto can use the platform and yeah, can get some cool insight out of it.
That's so great to hear. One thing that I'm curious about, and this is like a very generic AMA question, is when token. Do you guys have any plans for a token? Why or why not? And if you do have plans for it, what would the utility of it be?
Yes. Yeah, we do have plans for the DexCheck token, and we are actually going to have IDOs among different launchpads within on March, I believe. We haven't fixed yet IDOs, but yeah, we are releasing a token because we need it to be the central driver of the platform. Because with the token, users will be able to unlock the premium futures. And now I'm showing you like some premium futures that I'm talking about, because at the moment the normal business model of of the advanced analytics tools, for example, Nansen or this other platform, is that they charge fiat money on your credit card at the end of the month. And we wanted to do this in a little different fashion. So instead of charging money to get access to the advanced analytics future, we will require to hold or to stake the DexCheck token. And moreover, the people that will hold the token can get us access also to our DAO, because we will have a DAO that will decide the burn of the tokens, will decide the new futures that are going to be developed with the priority of all the futures, and as well as enjoying the staking incentive for of course stacking the token. And you may think now, okay, but what are the premium futures that you are talking about? I can show you like the first one, which is about the crypto smart money. And it's a very cool because we provide a dashboard which is called Top Crypto Traders that shows all the best trader by realized PNL for all the chains that we support. So the user, which have like the premium access, can see this dashboard when you see all the best traders. And this, of course, also for Polygon. You can see that this address made 100K trading Gains network. And the Gains network, for example, got listed on Binance, I guess, yesterday or a few days ago. And this guy trading Gains network made 100K profit with a 45% ROI. And you may want to know how this guy, where this guy bought these tokens, I mean, at which price level. You can see here on the total trades, we do provide a complete breakdown of these address transactions. And you can see that he started the accumulation 9 days ago and continued till a day ago, till before listing. So eventually this guy may be a Binance insider. We don't know, but for sure this dashboard is very useful to spot the best traders in the market, and it opened up a new way of copy trading, because of course when you know that a wallet is winning and it's winning at the trading game, you can copy the wallet, you can track, and every time you make a move, you may want to copy, or you may want to see what it's doing. So this is basically a smart money dashboard. And yeah, I mean, we do provide additional analytics information. For example, if you want to see this address, if it's trading other tokens, and which results have trading other tokens, you go to analyze address, and you can see all the tokens that the address is trading with the PNL. You can see that this address have 120K of profit with these trading volumes, and you can see with ease all the token that he traded during the last month with the ROI, and this for all the chains. I mean, for Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, and more. So this is the first of our premium future. There will be more, both for crypto and NFTs. So definitely, I believe that it's worth holding the token, because you get access to this kind of futures. I mean, the majority of the futures are free, as I said, but for the advanced one, we will require to hold or stake our token.
Awesome. Yeah, this is absolutely incredible. I'm really amazed by this and excited to be leveraging this myself. I do want to once again encourage the Polygon community. Drop some feedback, drop some questions. I want to hear what you guys think. Yeah, these are like some really phenomenal features that you guys have going on. I noticed that you also have a tab there that says DexSwap. Wondering if you could tell us a little bit about what that is.
Yes. Actually, this is a swap aggregator, like 1inch or like whatever other swap aggregator. And we do support 6 chains at the moment, of course, including Polygon. And we use KyberSwap as a router for the transactions. So basically, when someone wants to make a trade and connect his wallet to run the transactions, through the KyberSwap aggregator, we fetch the best price of the token that the trader want to trade, and we allow to the swap with this. So it's basically a swap aggregator, and we use KyberSwap because we are partner with KyberSwap. We like their product, and so we integrate it on our swap instead of developing from scratch our swap aggregator, which it's always can have a lot of problems if you don't pay attention to security. I mean, developing a good swap aggregator requires a lot of times and also a lot of security check involved. So we decided to use the KyberSwap because it have a lot of audits already made on the contract, and it's live, I guess, from more than 2 years without ever getting exploited or anything. So we trust their router for aggregate and the swap transactions.
Oh, sweet. That's really cool that you guys chose to do that. I think it's phenomenal that not only is this like actionable analytics, like you're literally able to take action on said analytics without even leaving the platform, thanks to you guys integrating Kyber. So yeah, that's super cool. This chart is really nice. I'm so impressed by your protocol because it reminds me of, well, I don't like saying PooCoin because it's a lot better than PooCoin, and it also reminds me of DApp Radar and DeFi Llama. But at the same time, like all those protocol or platforms are extremely different from each other. Like including yourselves, like you guys have a lot of things separating you, a lot of competitive advantages. But anyways, I'll let you continue.
Yeah, no, yeah, of course, we pay a lot of attention to our design of the platform. So we monitor all the biggest projects design to see maybe if we can, I would say, steal something that is cool. Because at the end of the day, if you want to build a solid product that the people use, we believe that you need to provide a wonderful user interface because everyone's like when a design is good, but also the user experience must be good because you need to have a good design, but also the user experience. I mean, your platform need to be very accessible to everyone, not only for the experience of the people, but also for the new traders that join the space since I don't know, a week or a month ago. And talking about the integration, now that I have this chart opened of QuickSwap, which is a leading DEX on Polygon, as you know. One of our partner is also GoPlus Security Labs, and they are doing a lot of cool stuff in the security area. And for example, we have integrated their quick token audit tool on our charts. So you can see that for all the tokens, just by clicking on scan, you can see all relevant information about the contract security. For example, if the contract is verified, if the ownership is renounced, if there are calls, buy tax, sell tax, wallet tax, whatever. So the purpose, of course, of this integration is to provide at a quick glance to the user if the contract is safe, if something need to be, I don't know, if the user need to do a little bit more of the research before buying the token, and yeah, because this is the purpose of the platform, allowing users to make better trading decisions.
Fantastic. Yeah, this has been like such a phenomenal presentation of everything. I'm surprised we don't have more questions coming in from you guys. Lunatic though has expressed interest in getting in touch with you guys, so I'll let you guys follow up with that afterwards. That's so great to hear. One thing.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. No. Sorry. Go ahead.
No, yeah. I wanted maybe that Jatin can give like a brief introductions about our backend. I mean, about yeah, maybe if we want to say a few words about also yeah the more technical side of the platform.
Sure, sure. So, like we all know that decentralized exchanges mostly don't really have much data on their own website. They just like let you swap the tokens that you want and give you the tokens. But if if someone wants to buy the token, they have to like rely on some analytics like we provide the charts or the real-time prices or the liquidity pools and things like that. So how we work on the backend is we read all the transaction data directly from the blockchain of any EVM chain like Polygon, and we decode the transaction data with our code, and we store that decoded transaction data into our internal databases. And those that internal database is used for the whole website, like aggregating stuff and providing information on pools, pairs, and liquidity and the swaps. And with the swaps, we can aggregate the charts, and with the swaps, we can also aggregate the whales transactions, and so on. So the aggregation level can differ from very low level of aggregation to very high level. For example, we also have the premium feature, which Raf discussed, like the top traders. For that, quite a lot of aggregation is used because the data available on blockchain is really huge, as we know. So yeah, that is the kind of thing we use on the back end. Uh, so it's most of the time we try to keep it as up to date as possible, and we managed to do it like we managed to process the latest transaction in about 20 seconds or so. It takes that much time because couple of reasons, because we are managing multiple chains, and also the transaction data can be like a lot sometimes, and we can process one transaction at a time. We so like bulk the transactions of a block or so and then decode it. So yeah, this is what we do on the back end.
Great. Thanks so much for elaborating on that. Um, One thing that I'm curious about is like just in terms of the roadmap, like I guess like what can users expect from DexCheck this year?
Yes. Yeah. Actually, after the token launch, of course, we will continue developing the new features, and we have in the roadmap, like for Q2 of 2023, the full set of NFT analytics solutions. Because at the moment on mainnet, you are able to see all the crypto futures, but the NFT are not yet deployed on mainnet. So our main goal now is to finish the development of all the crypto analytics tools, which we have done so far, and we started already with the NFT analytics. So talking about the roadmap, within the next 3 months, we will release the whole set of NFT analytics solutions. For example, we will release the same dashboard that you have seen before that shows the top traders for crypto, but this time it will be the top NFT flippers, so all the top traders of NFTs on OpenSea, for example. And then we do provide also, we will provide all sorts of analytics information about a certain NFT collection. And at the beginning, we will support Ethereum, but of course, in our plan is to integrate Polygon as soon as possible after Ethereum, because yeah, Polygon is exploding like from 2022 with a lot of partnership. The Polygon team made a great job, and I mean, they are doing a fantastic job in increasing the outreach of Polygon with all sorts of solid partnership. So definitely, we all the tools that we are developing, our main chains are always Ethereum and Polygon, of course. So Ethereum, Polygon, and BNB chain. All the tools that we are going to release on the market, in all the tools that we are going to release on the market, Polygon will be integrated. So yeah, for Q2 2023, we are going to be listed on centralized exchange with the token. We are setting up the staking platform. We are adding the multi-language support for the platform also so we add more languages. We are deploying also the NFT analytics solutions. And then towards the end of the year, we will open up the DAO and also deploy on mainnet some sex analytics tools and also some GameFi analytics tools because the games are exploding. I mean, they had like a first wave during the end of last year, but then they crashed a little bit. But now we see that people are interested again in the GameFi, and so we have already on the pipeline to develop interesting tools to analyze games, the ROI of the games, the token emissions of the games. So I mean, our goal for this year is to deploy on mainnet as much as tools as possible to become the super application for analytics, because at the moment you have NFT analytics platform, crypto analytics platform. uh, the analytics is a sector is a bit fragmented, and you need to pay. For example, you need to get different subscriptions in order to get access to tools for both crypto and NFTs. So our goal is to deploy all these kind of tools all in one platform in a way that the user can just open DexCheck and find everything that he needs to make to become a better trader.
Sweet. The vision is bright. I'm super stoked about this. I'm a huge fan of the platform already. Lunatic is saying their project is at the intersect of DeFi and GameFi, so it seems like a perfect collaboration opportunity incoming. Very cool, Lunatic. That's so great to hear. And yeah, lots of positive comments in the chat. I'm surprised we haven't got any questions, but hey, I'm glad people are excited as I am about DexCheck.
Yeah, they can take their time to explore the platform, play with the features, and then they can ask all the questions also on our Telegram group chat. And yeah, because I understand that being an analytics platform, you need some time like to use to see what you can do. So maybe difficult maybe to answer like to ask questions right now. But I just want to say to all the Polygon community that is following us in this MAA that you can just play with the platform and then ask all of your questions on the group chat, and me and all our developers will answer you and helps you to make the most out of the platform.
Sweet. Okay, well, with that said, I don't see any like questions coming in. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down while there's still some time left. Otherwise, make sure to jump into the DexCheck community. So I guess my next question for you is like, what is the best way to get involved with DexCheck?
Yeah, I mean, you are saying about following our progress. So of course, besides using our platform, you are very welcome to join our Telegram community and follow us on Twitter, because that's the place where we release all the updates. For example, the rewards for the early adopters, airdrops, ambassador program, whatever promotion that we will run during the next few months. And we will do different promotions in that sense, because now our main goal is to expand our user base. just follow us, and so you can be updated and engage with the team directly on Telegram.
Awesome. So I've just dropped the links in the chat there. So if you want to give them a follow on Twitter to stay up to date, the Twitter link is there, as well as the Telegram. So if you want to jump in there, get involved, you know where to do so. Raf, I feel like this has been an absolutely incredible AMA. You've done an absolutely stellar job of explaining everything and showcasing the platform to us. I'm curious, is there anything that you wanted to cover that we haven't already had the chance to already?
No, I guess that we covered almost everything. My English is not very good. It's not very good because I'm not native English speaker. So, but I'm very passionate about blockchain analytics, and I want to help everyone from the Polygon community having answers. So please don't hesitate also to send me a DM on on Telegram, because it's the channel where I'm most active, and I will try to answer whatever questions from your community. I will also send the link of our white paper on the chat, so the user can have a look at it. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. Maybe we can have another MAA when the token is live, and when also some NFT analytics futures will be live.
Absolutely. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, just feel free to hit me up whenever that is, and I'll get you scheduled as soon as possible, because yeah, this is something that like you said, like you're trying to benefit, provide value to the community, and it really shows here. So I'm greatly appreciative of what you're building, and I greatly appreciate you taking the time out of your day to come and speak with the Polygon community. With that said, I've just dropped a little Google form in the chat. So if you guys want to put your wallet address in there, I will distribute a proof of attendance protocol NFT, which is just a little something to commemorate your attendance here today at this AMA. And yeah, Raf, is there any like closing thoughts you want to share with us?
Yes, I mean, just the purpose of the platform is to build great trading tools, but the best trading tools are the ones that the community demands. So we really want the community that comes to us and said, look, it will be very good if you can do this kind of tool, because we have the capabilities. Our developers are very good, so we can develop and push on mainnet almost everything in the data analytics space. So what I want to say is that the feedbacks are very welcome from the community, because we listen to the feedback and we develop futures based on the feedback.
Sweet. Well, with that said, I guess that basically wraps up the AMA. So I want to thank everybody for coming out and attending this from the Polygon community, and I want to give a big thanks to the DexCheck team once again. Greatly appreciative of your time, and really looking forward to all of our future interactions and doing another AMA. I think the future is very bright for your project. So yeah, this has been a ton of fun. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Awesome. Well, with that said, I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much, and goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye everyone.